Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what's inside the Pokemon Azure Legends Kyogre EX tin. So this tin right over here. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who may have seen this within their local card shop, or maybe you've seen it at your retail store. What is actually inside of this tin? Now, to simply put, you first have the Kyogre EX card, which is notated right over here. And then the 5 booster packs that you're going to get within this tin is that you're going to get 2 Surging Sparks booster packs. You're going to get 1 Temporal Forces booster pack. Then you're going to get 1 Obsidian Flames booster pack. And then you're also going to get 1 Stellar Crown booster pack. So that's 5 booster packs in total. And again, you're going to get 2 Surging Sparks, 1 Stellar Crown, 1 Obsidian Flames, and then 1 Temporal Forces. But that is essentially what you get inside of this tin. So you get the EX card and 5 booster packs. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, and thanks so much for watching.